Happy Monday, everybody. Hopefully you had a great weekend. Today, we are going to continue to work with central idea and supporting details. We are going to go ahead and work in Newsela again today. Remember, log in through Clever, go to my home page, click on the blue icon that has the white N on it, and that will take you to your Newsela page where you're going to click the Assignments tab at the top, and then you should have the article Forever Home, and it should go ahead and pop up for you. This article is about helping animals or pets find homes. So we are going to do the same thing that we did in class on Thursday with this article. So this article has this first section, 2 paragraphs. It has a section, let me just make sure I'm in the right, lexile here. Okay, let's see. It has, okay, so it has, I think, 4 sections. So it has this first section, the first 2 paragraphs, then it has one that's titled Millions of Homeless Animals Around the World. That's the second section. Third section, Teaching Animals How to Be Pets. Fourth section is Puppers and Kittens at Your Feet. And fifth section, Help Animals Near You. Okay? So in each section, remember, you are highlighting at least 2 supporting details. Remember to highlight, you have to select the text first, highlight the text, and then click on your activities and your right button to get that highlight tool to pop up, okay? So just remember that. And then you are writing in the box that comes up. So let's just say I am going to highlight. Actually, you don't have to highlight anything in these first 2 paragraphs. You can start with this one, Millions of Homeless Animals Around the World. So this is where you would start. So let me just see here. Okay, so this group would want to let people know about dogs and cats that don't have a home or human family to care for them. So if I wanted to highlight that, remember sometimes you have to click on that right sign to get yours to pop up, but then you go ahead and highlight it. And if you would want to go ahead and write your central idea for this section of text, you need to type it in this text box right here, okay? Again, you're only doing that for the one that says Millions of Homeless Animals Around the World. Teaching Animals How to Be Pets, Puppers and Kittens at Your Feet, and Help Animals Near You. So there's 4 sections. Highlight at least 2 supporting details in each section and give me those 4 central ideas for each section. Okay, so one for each section, which is a total of 4. When you're done, don't forget to take the quiz, okay? So you will take the quiz when you are finished, and then you are done for the day, okay? So if you have any questions or problems, reach out to me. You want to make sure that your text is on 810 Lexile, okay? That's how you're going to get those 4 sections of text. Again, you do not have to highlight anything in the first 2 paragraphs. That's kind of like an introduction, okay? All right, well, best of luck to you. And tomorrow, again, we're going to be writing with a prompt. So tomorrow you will have a prompt to write to, and then Wednesday you're going to have another activity to complete, and I will see you on Thursday. Okay, have a great day.